Hi everyone, I'm super excited to bring you this video. I purchased 3 new polishes from Parrot Polish. If you don't know about Parrot Polish, they are an indie brand. They're 10 free and vegan. These are my favorites. These are solar polishes, which means they change color in the sunlight. So this is what they'll look like in the sun. Here's them kind of mid-transitioning back to their original color. These two actually take the longest to change back, which is super cool. And here they are back to their original colors. Super fun polishes. I totally love them. I absolutely cannot wait until summer. These colors are gorgeous in the sun and out of the sun. Anyways, let's stop talking about them and let's look at the swatches. Let's get started. This one is called Geranium, and I have it here on a swatch stick. I didn't top coat the swatch stick. When it's not top coated, it has this satiny finish, and it looks like super cool with the satiny finish, so I wanted to show you that. But in the swatches, you will see them with the shiny finish, which is totally amazing as well. This looks like it'll be good in 2 or 3 coats, depending on application. I'm actually going to go with 3 coats. I think definitely needs 3 coats. I see some patches still hanging out. This is what it looks like in the shade. I want to say it's kind of like a bluish gray in the shade or inside. It's very, very beautiful. And this is after 20 seconds of in sunlight. I used my LED lamp. I cheated. There's no sun out here. It's winter in Wisconsin, or springish in Wisconsin. But this is a very beautiful shade of purple. It's super dark, and then it just keeps getting lighter the more time that it's out of the sun. So here it's getting to a lighter purple, and then it gets to a lighter dustier purple, and then it turns, you know, slowly back into that gray. I'm going to let you see the change here. And there it is, back to its original color. Here I'll just show you what it looks like in the sun and out of the sun. I love these sun color polishes. They're my favorites. This one is called Boys and Girls, and here it is on the swatch stick in its satiny original finish. If you're going to go with the satiny finish type, you still want to put like a satin or matte top coat on over it. You don't want to go on top coated. At this point, I'm just guessing it's probably going to need 3 coats like the other one did. This is the second coat. If you have really short fingernails and you get the coats applied evenly, you can probably get away with 2. But on the other fingers, I always end up with like 1 bald spot. So I'm just probably going to do 3. This is 3 coats with top coat. This is an amazing color pink. Oh, I can't even wait until summer. I think this is a deep royal purple. It's almost blue, but I still think it leans on the purple side. And it changes back into its pink state super quick. This one is Limes and Grapes, and here it is on the swatch stick in the original satiny finish. This is the first coat. I'm probably going to put on 3 for this one as well. Depending on how long your nails are, etc., you may need 1 to 3 coats. Well, actually 2 to 3 coats. This is 3 coats and a top coat, and this is what it would look like indoors or in the shade. Here's what it looks like in the sun. It's not like a bluish purple or anything like that. I think it kind of really looks like a raisin color. It's very beautiful though. This one has a slow transition, which is pretty cool. And this is actually a really cool looking color green as well. There, I think it's just about its indoor color. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to put Gucci in a minute so you can check on her. She had she had her orthopedic surgery here and she's recovering. It's kind of being a little pain in the butt. She doesn't want to relax anymore. So really been a little difficult for me to keep her still. I think she's got another at least month or so that she cannot be excited or run around or whatever she wants to do. Actually, she just wants to jump on the couch and jump off the couch and stand on her hind legs, which she absolutely cannot do. Anyway, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just put Gucci's clip in right here. This is Gucci. She just got her stitches out. We're on our way home. So everything's going good so far. There's Gucci. She has to be in her pen next to me while when I'm doing this stuff at my desk, because she was naughty and she jumped off the couch. And she's not supposed to do stuff strenuous yet because of her operation. So there she is, stuck in a pen. And if she gets too obnoxious, then I have to sedate her. Anyway, so that's our update. I took her to the doctor. She got her sutures out, and the doctor checked her since I told them that she jumped off the couch, and everything is okay. She is still okay. So we just have to keep her calm for the next couple of months, and then hopefully all will be better.